In this internet marketing tutorial from compelstore.com, we're going to talk about YouTube videos. Creating a 30-second video that showcases one of your new t-shirts or other apparel is not as hard as you may think. It can actually be done in about 5 minutes and will have a huge effect on a lot of different areas of your apparel business. YouTube videos are a great way to drive traffic to your apparel products pages and do it in a lot of different ways. One of the most important ways that we'll take a look at is that YouTube videos show up in organic search results. What that essentially means is that if somebody goes to Google and types in funny penguin t-shirts, for example, a YouTube video will show up in those results. Google owns YouTube, and so by creating YouTube videos that are properly optimized, you can get those to show up high in organic search rankings a lot quicker than a new website or a new apparel store in our case. One of the other beneficial aspects of creating YouTube videos is that you can put a link back to your apparel products pages in every single one of the descriptions of the videos that you create. Backlinks are one of the main factors that Google uses to rank web pages. The more backlinks you have that are quality, the better your pages will rank. So for the purposes of this tutorial, we're going to create a video for a shirt that simply says, "You stay classy." It's a play on a line from Ron Burgundy in the movie Anchorman. Now to create this video, we're going to use a free software called Screencast-O-Matic. Screencast-O-Matic is a screen recorder, and essentially what you can do is just record what's going on your screen. There's a free version, and then there's a paid version that only costs about $15 for an entire year's subscription. We recommend getting the paid version because if you get the free version, it'll have a link down in the bottom of every video that says Screencast-O-Matic, and you don't want to confuse people. If you can find a better free screen recorder, definitely recommend utilizing that. But what we're going to do is we're going to record our screen while we go through some of the different color options for the t-shirt. Now when you're ready to record your video, on Screencast-O-Matic you're going to click Start Recording, and it's going to bring up a box, and you can drag that box to where it's only around this image right here. Now because we're using Screencast-O-Matic, we can't record ourselves recording a video. But what you're going to do is just start recording this area, so that's all that's showing, and you're just going to go through the different color options of this shirt. Once you're done doing that, you can save the video. So here's what the raw version of this video is going to look like. It's pretty simple, right? It's just going through the available colors of this t-shirt. But what we're going to do is set this 15 to 30 second video to some background music using YouTube Editor. The YouTube Editor is a free tool provided by Google, who again owns YouTube, and you can get to it by going to www.youtube.com/editor. Now once at the YouTube Editor, the first thing that we have to do is upload our video. We can't edit it unless we've uploaded it. Now, if you don't already have a YouTube channel, you're going to need to create one. It's very easy, however, that's a separate subject. If you're not familiar with creating a YouTube channel, we've included an additional video below this one. Again, it's a very easy process. But we're going to go ahead and upload the video that we've just created. Now that we've uploaded our video, we can go back to the YouTube Editor, and it will show up here in the available videos. And what we're going to do is we're just going to drag this down to that screen. Next, we're going to want to add background music to this video. The way that you add background music is by clicking on this drag audio here. We'll go ahead and pause the video, but you're going to see a note that comes up right here. You're going to want to click on that note, and all these different songs you can use as background music. You can play them to see which one you like the best, but after you've chosen on a song, you're going to go ahead and just drag that down here, drop it, and we're essentially done. We're now going to go ahead and click Publish Our Video. So let's go ahead and click the publish button, and then your video will go into a processing status. But what we can do is go ahead and edit the video and create the title, description, and tags so that it will be better optimized for search results. For the title, we've chosen "You Stay Classy Shirt Anchorman." "You Stay Classy Shirt" is the keyword that we want to optimize for. So we want to make sure that we've got that not only in the title, but also in the description. So for the description, we've decided to go with "The You Stay Classy Shirt comes from the legendary movie Anchorman, inspired by the saying, 'You Stay Classy San Diego.'" Now the keyword that we're wanting to optimize for is that "You Stay Classy Shirt," but we've also got some keywords in there that will trigger other searches. And finally, we need to enter in some keywords down here at the bottom. So "You Stay Classy," and comma, that will add a keyword, and we're going to go ahead and add a few more. Now that we've got our keywords in here, we can click over to the advanced setting tabs. Just make sure that you've got the correct category. You can include a location and a date if you want, but after you have all those completed, you can go ahead and click Save Changes. Now what we're going to want to do is go to our video manager, and you can do that by clicking up in the top right hand corner, click on Video Manager, and as we can see, we've got our "You Stay Classy Shirt Anchorman" that we just created, and the first one that is still in the draft state. We're going to go ahead and delete this first one because we don't want duplicate videos in there, and we now have our new video that can show up in Google search results. But there's one thing that we want to make sure that we do, and that is to include a link in the description back to our product page. So we're going to go ahead and paste this link in here, and don't worry, YouTube truncates the URL, so essentially when the video is published, all you're going to see is the URL of your actual shop. You won't see the whole long tail SEO'd version of it. So we're going to go ahead and save those changes, and now let's take a look at our newly created video that we did in about 3 to 5 minutes. So guys, as you can see, in under 5 minutes, we've essentially created a commercial for our new t-shirt. We've got an optimized title, we've got an optimized description, we've also got this backlink here that goes back to our website, more specifically goes back to our product page that will help us out in organic rankings. Because by creating videos, what we are looking to do is more quickly get up in the Google organic search results for terms like "You Stay Classy Shirt," "Stay Classy Shirt," and also long tail versions of that keyword. Guys, that's going to do it for this tutorial. I thank you for taking the time to watch. If you have any questions, please put them in the comment section below this video, and I look forward to seeing you at the next tutorial.